Assessments of the impacts of environmental factors on vegetation cover at gas flaring sites in the Niger Delta, Nigeria. This article is written by Barnabas O. Maracanyo. Contribution and originality of the study is that no previous gas flare analysis has assessed the effects of the facility size, flare stack height, and time on the vegetation cover at the flaring sites in the Niger Delta using remotely sensed data. This study aims at the assessment of the effects of environmental factors on vegetation cover at the flaring sites in Rivers State, Nigeria. 21 Landsat 7 Enhanced Thematic Mapper Plus, ETM Plus, data, and 4 Landsat 8 Operational Land Imager and Thermal Infrared Sensor, OLI tires, data dated from April 21, 2000 to May 2, 2022. Less than 3% cloud cover were employed to study 11 gas flaring sites. Matrix Laboratory MATLAB code was developed for data processing and analysis. Normalized Differential Vegetation Index, NDVI, was computed from the atmospherically corrected multispectral bands, 1 to 4, for Landsat 7 and bands, 2 to 5, for Landsat 8. Change in NDVI was computed as delta NDVI 450/60m in the N, E, S and W directions, which is the difference between NDVI at 450 meters and 60 meters distance from the flare stack. The available environmental factors, facility size, flare stack height and time, i.e. year, month and day, were applied to the delta NDVI 450/60 meters in the 4 cardinal directions. Pairwise linear and multiple regression statistical analyses were adopted to investigate the relationships between each of the delta NDVI 450/60mn, delta NDVI 450/60m, delta NDVI 450/60ms and delta NDVI 450/60mw and facility size, stack height and time. The results show that only 12% of the variance in delta NDVI 450/60mn is explained by the available data. Therefore, it can be concluded that the combination of the facility size, flare stack height and time accounted for only 12% of the results. Further researches using the rate and volume of flared gas data, and the vegetation species is required to achieve better results. Thanks for watching this video of Review of Environment and Earth Sciences Volume 10, Issue Number 1.